Well, hey, you guys. I said I would give you the results of the stuffed peppers, and they came amazing. Um, Even when I don't feel good, I can still cook. So that's a good thing. So here's what's left. There's two left. I froze the rest of the stuff, uh, the meat mixture, and there's enough probably to make maybe 8 more peppers. I did way too much. I wrote the recipe in the description in the last video that I did so that you guys can have the recipe. And the recipe is for probably 6 to 8 peppers. Okay, because I did a lot of peppers and or I did a lot of meat and I didn't do a lot of peppers. I only did 5. It could have made what I did, I could have made probably about 10 to 12 peppers, but the recipe that I gave you that I wrote down could make about 6 to 8 peppers. Good sized peppers, big peppers, okay? Red, green, orange, yellow, whatever you guys prefer. The green are not the ripened peppers, as you know. The red, the orange, and the yellow are the ripe peppers, and the green are not ripened. So if the green bothers you for some reason, like it does my husband, I make the red. And here's one of the red. And I purposely didn't put sauce on here to show you the meat, and it came really good. I made corn with it because there's rice in there. Um, and I just honestly don't feel like making anything else. We have salad here that we can do. Usually I will do a mashed potato with it, even though there's rice in the peppers. But I'm just not here enough to make a full dinner. Um, so I apologize for that, but the corn I put in butter, um, real butter, and salt, and it came really good. I have only one of those left. I bought 2 cobs of corn from my family, and they dipped it in the corn in the butter. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm really sorry. I'm just not with it right now. Um, and I'm really trying. I really am. So, um, I will get better. Okay, I will get better. So, results of stuffed peppers, really good. And maybe next time I'll make stuffed cabbage. Okay, so good night for now. Saturday evening, October 19th. Love you all. Thank you all for your emails, your continued emails, and um, your support. We really appreciate it. I really do. We all do. Me, my husband, and my son. We really appreciate it. I do have my dehydrator going. I don't know if you can see, but I had bought some. Let's see. I had bought some tomatoes right before my husband went into the hospital. And whoop, gosh, you see how my day's going? This is just my life lately. Okay, so these are Sun Gold tomatoes, the small ones. They're really sweet, and I'm just dehydrating them because I bought 2 of them when I bought the Kamado tomatoes, and I just don't have time to do anything else with them. So, yeah. I don't even know if I have that one right. No, I don't think I do. Shoot. So, oh, there we go. Excalibur. There. Okay. I think it has to say Excalibur on the top. So, we bought a microwave oven right before my husband went into the hospital. And I have my Kamado tomatoes right here. They were in the refrigerator the whole time. took them out today because I thought I was going to be able to either can them or dehydrate them, and I can't. Probably tomorrow. These are paw prints that I took of Bailey, and we had her cremated, and her remains and a paw print, an official paw print, is going to be coming soon. And I'm probably going to be a mess until then, and I really apologize. I really do. This is really hard. I don't know how to do this. 2 cats, in a month. 13 years and 7 years, and I get it. Bailey loved Blue so much. She really did. He was her everything, and she just loved him so much. And I know that she felt completely alone without him. And then my husband going in the hospital, she probably thought she lost her daddy too. And I haven't been here, so I know it's partly my fault that I wasn't giving her the attention, although I really, really tried. I really did. She slept on me every night. She would crawl on me, and one night at 3 o'clock in the morning, I had to push her off, and she kept me awake for an hour, and now I wish I had that hour back. I really do. She's my baby, guys, and I'm not doing really well with this at all. I'm so grateful my husband's okay, but to lose my baby girl and my Blue, it's just too much right now. It's just too much. I know they're pets, and some people don't understand, but most of you do. And you get it, and that's all I can say. Until tomorrow, I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit the bell, and be alerted for my videos. They're not all like this, I promise. Look back on my videos. They're really uplifting and informative, and I do tutorials, and tutorials will be coming. I will get past this. Okay? I'll talk to you guys soon.